Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. It's Saturday, a little after noon, or noonish, huh? So anyway, today someone asked me about making that sauce that I'm always using. So basically what it is, it's Arby's knockoff sauce kind of deal. Takes a few ingredients, it's quick. I'm going to make that right quick, show you how to do that. Because I use it on everything. So anyway, let's get to it and get this one on so we can have a taste. Okay, here's my little accoutrement set here. I got my meat beaters over there, mixes, whatever you want to call them. I got a quarter teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to mix it in that measuring cup. Quarter of a cup of horseradish sauce, and a cup of almonds mayonnaise. This is really quick and easy to put together, but it tastes dang good. Okay, first I'm going to scoop in my mayonnaise. Trying to get everything, that Maxwell House commercial, good to the last drop. And that's why I said I'm going to use my little spatula in here. Okay, and this here would probably be it. That's not bad. I think I got just about all I'm going to get out of there. Okay, this is the horseradish sauce itself. That one came out pretty easy, huh? Yeah. I was going to use a funnel, but Penny talked me out of it when I poured in the container that we're going to use. Anyway, here goes my quarter teaspoon of salt. And my tablespoon of sugar. I'm just going to mix it up with this very quick. That was a right quick mix, wasn't it? Now I'm going to use a whisk. Like I said, it doesn't take long to make this, but I figured somebody asked me to do it from around here, so I figured I might as well make a video of it. I think I said that before when I was using it. I said one day I'll show you guys how to make it. And that's basically it. I'm going to give you a little finger test. Oh boy. Yes, sir, that does have it. Just making sure that it's thoroughly mixed here. Now see, if you want a little more kick, that's why I'm tasting it again. If you want a little more kick out of it, you can also, like if you want to put a little more Horsey sauce in there, I'm not sure where we found this particular recipe, because I tried other ones I found, but I didn't care for them as much as this one. This one tastes so much closer. If you like Arby sauce, this is going to be the one. This is the bomb. So I still have a little bit left here in this here container. So what I'm going to try to do is I wanted to use, this is where I wanted to put the funnel, but Penny said, that's going to be too thick for the funnel, so she talked me into trying her method, which is I'm going to rinse off this spatula and try to get everything inside the little jar there. Let me move this a little closer this way. She says, just ladle it in there, it'll go. Should. Yeah, Cat, you ain't getting none of this. And there you have it, my friends. This is a nice thing I put it on everything. Eggs, chicken, hamburgers, steak, hot dogs, whatever I'm eating, I put this on. That's how much I love this. I used to go to Arby's a lot, especially when they had the, what was it, 5 for $5, those little junior roast beef sandwiches. Boy, I love those. But this is the only thing I put on it right here, horsey sauce. And I said to myself one day, I said, I'm going to make that one day. And, you know, off it was to try to find a decent recipe for it. And I did find some, but this one here happens to be the best one. So whoever came up with this, my hat's off to you. I don't remember where or who it was. It's been so long ago. But there you have it. So, hold on. Okay, I know you guys think I'm crazy, but here, see, just a little blop like that. That's on a piece of that bacon I made the other day. The moist, plump, and tender, crispy bacon. Okay, so here you go. Oh, wow. Now that's a hell of a combination. But anyway, like Mr. Elmo says, cover your mouth when you're out and about. Don't talk with your mouth full. If you like this little quick video we just did, give me a like. Share with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit the notification bell. I want you to stay hungry, my friends, and come back when you are, and we'll give you another recipe. This is MrDan. We're out for now.